making a left, making a left, making. All right, what's up? Welcome to today's video. Today we're gonna work on the DRZ. I got a new thing in the mail. I'll show you in a few. First, we're gonna go to Starbucks. That guy just blew the stop sign. It's fucking sick, dude. We love moving violations. Oh, am I gonna make this green light? Can I get a Trenta black tea lemonade sweetened with 8 pumps of classic?
Yeah, of course. Sounds good. We'll get that ready at the window, Josh. Thank you.
Cool, thanks.
No problem.
Pretty sure she said Josh, but we're gonna rock it. It's fine. Have a good day.
Have a great day.
Alrighty. Sick. I'm gonna roll this up so my fucking camera doesn't fly out the window. That happened to one of my GoPros. Let's see if I can do this without the camera falling. Please don't fall, please don't fall, please don't fall. It's gonna fall, it's gonna fall. Oh. Fuck. Yep, suction mount will be here today. Yo, look at the squirrel. Look at the squirrel vibing up there, dude. I don't know if you can see it. The squirrel's going crazy up on the wire. I need to get some pretty thin gauge wire, so we're gonna go to Harbor Freight. I should have everything else. Luckily, I live next to a Harbor Freight, so that's kind of sick. It's also kind of dangerous. I live across from a Harbor Freight and a Home Depot, so yeah. I need the wallet. Holy shit, we got an E46. And what is that, an E92? I'm so bad at figuring out what BMW is what. Guys will see this and think, hell yeah. All right, we're at Harbor Freight, so I can figure it out, I guess. I thought they had wired Harbor Freight, but they apparently don't, so I guess we're going to Home Depot. Good thing I live across the street from a Home Depot. I've been in there so many times, and I saw that they had like wire spools, and they have terminals for everything or whatever. I thought they had like small spools of wire, but they don't, so. Cool, got the wire. Let's get set up. Here she is. We're installing a battery monitor. Yay! I also have like one of these charger things that also has the voltage. I don't really know if I'm gonna install both. I got both because I didn't know which one I wanted. I really like the idea of this one being like a heads-up display. You'll see it when it's all lit up. But then also this has a charger, this does, I don't know, whatever. We're just gonna run it and see what happens. First step is figure out where I wanna mount this. There's not a lot of great places, but let's see. I feel like that kinda sucks. That definitely sucks. That sucks. It's not really the prettiest thing in the world, but the battery monitor sits in here like this. I'm thinking I can just take this bracket and just bend it down, and then I'll have an option to mount it here. So it'll kind of just be chilling like that. I think that should be okay. I don't love that it's also so close to the gas, but I think I'm just gonna try this. It's not really my favorite. It's not the best option. It's probably a way better way to mount that, but I don't really have fabricating abilities. So we're gonna do this the best we can here. All right, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna bend this. Let's see what happens. This is what we came up with here. This is A1 engineering. This is kind of just like a test fit. We're gonna refine it. We're gonna make it a little bit better. It's not really the best metal in the world. It's just some Amazon shit. So I don't know. We're gonna try to wire it up and see if it works before I really get crazy with mounting. All right, got some soldering to do. Okay, we gotta solder these ends, literally just positive and negative, to a wire. So many people know about these. I don't really need to explain, but these are solder heat shrink connectors. These are the best things ever. They have a little bead of solder in there, and then the rest is heat shrink, and then you just put it over the wire. Does this even have, let's see. Harbor Freight wire stripper, best thing I've ever bought. I like to hold them like that, and these will stay together. And then you do this and try not to burn yourself. I got everything here on Amazon. And that is that. There we go. Okay. So, I just realized I ran this wire and I didn't run that portion of it to where I need to go, so I might have to undo all this, but I ran everything how I'm gonna have it in general anyway. So I'm gonna go on the right side, I'm gonna follow the existing wire path for all the other cables, and then when I get to about here, I'm gonna go under, do a little one of those, and then I'm gonna come over here and it's gonna land at the battery. The reason why I took this path is because I want to avoid heat as much as possible, because this is literally just like lamp wire. It was the only thing that they had that was a small enough gauge. So this should be more than enough. It should be fine. It's not carrying anything. It's literally just like reading the battery signal. So I think as long as I keep it here, we should be good. But yeah, now I just got to figure out how to route this and then zip tie it, make it all pretty, and then test it. I've got it reran. Yes, I had to completely unwire it because I did it really stupid, but it's fine. Basically, it's here, it runs kind of underneath, back that way, and then kind of in front, which follows the natural cable path of like most of the things from the tack here, and then it goes through the existing factory wiring things, comes down, follows all the factory paths, goes underneath here, kind of cuts across, and then again follows like the factory path. So this is where I'll do my terminals, and then we'll be able to test it. I just have to ring terminal these, heat shrink them, and I think we should be good to go. It works. Got our terminals dialed in. Hell yeah. Sick. Ready? Nice. I have to go through and set this. Now this should change when I put the key on. Yeah. I'll turn high beams on. Come on, glare. Okay, we're good. It's getting dark out, and I won't do that to my neighbors right now, but it works. I gotta go to work. I'm stoked. It's literally getting dark out at this point, so I'm gonna stop. But a few little things I wanna tidy up and fix, but for now I think we're good. Voltage read 14.6 after I got it started, and it started to do the thing. So yeah, success. So yeah, success. If this was helpful or you enjoyed it, whatever, like, subscribe, whatever, I don't care. Appreciate it. See you in the next one.